Hello.
Hey,
Hi.
Don't worry, Sam. I'll order for you.
Are you ready to order?
2 raviolis, please.
Okay.
I found this bottle with a paper inside.
Then let's open it.
Whoa!
It looks like a treasure map.
What's that I hear? Something about treasure?
It must be valuable.
Looks like it's from the 1600s.
Look at that treasure chest.
How about we take your old boat, Sparrows, and try to look for it?
That's a good idea.
Here you go.
That map? I must take it and find that treasure.
For anything, we should take it.
By stealing it, of course.
Oh, but how?
I'll tell you how.
Wait one moment. I need to go to the bathroom.
But you just went.
I need to go again.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Heh.
What's taking so long? You don't know.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how we take that map. We kidnap that orange bird.
Here, you study the map and let me know if you find out anything.
Okay.
Bye.
Take him to the boat. That bluebird saw everything. After him!
We lost him.
Oh well, at least we got what we needed.
Whoa.
Sparrows, this is an emergency.
What's the problem?
Sam has been kidnapped.
How?
Last night I saw 2 creatures grab and tie him in a bag.
Who did that?
It was very dark. I can't tell who they were. Also, they said something about leaving on a boat.
Let's dress and save Sam.
Sparrows, pick your crew.
You, and you.
Welcome aboard the Chaotic. Now search him. It's empty? Let me see that. Tell me where the map is.
Never.
Tie him up.
Now let's find Sam.
Hey! Stop playing with your toys and get to work. Do you see anything?
Simply not. Wait a minute, I think it's the ship.
The ship? Crew, get ready to attack! Yeah! I think I found Sam. It looks like they're beating him up.
He must have been looking for the map. Crew, be prepared. We're heading to that ship.
Mm-hmm.
Wham! Ow! We meet again. Fire and cinnamon! Where do you think you're going? Abandoned ship! You'll pay for this!
Can I stay here? Certainly not.
Well, that was a bad idea.
Now let's find the treasure.